Today we will do exercise 4.2 of determinants. In previous video we learned some properties of determinants. By using that properties we need to find the value of the determinant. So here exercise 4.2 question number 13. We have done some questions in previous video. Rest of the questions we are doing now. And here prove that this determinant equal to 1 plus a square plus b square raised to the power 3. So here we need to find the value of the determinant by using properties of the determinant. We cannot find the value of the determinant by direct expansion. So here we need to find the value of the determinant using properties of determinant. So here we need to prove LHS and RHS are equal. So here RHS 1 plus a square plus b square raised to the power 3. So we will try to take 1 plus a square plus b square outside the determinant. So we have to do some operations, and after doing that operation, if we get 1 plus a square plus b square in any one row or any one column, suppose we have 1 plus a square plus b square here everywhere, then we can take it outside. Or if we get 1 plus a square plus b square in first row or second row or third row, we can take it outside. So we need to get 1 plus a square plus b square common in any one row or any one column. So that is the method. So here in this question, if we do this operation, we will start from LHS. C1 tends to C1 minus B into C3. C1 tends to C1 minus B into C3. 2AB minus B into 2A, that is minus 2AB. 2AB cancelled, 0. And here 2B minus B into this one, minus B of 1 minus a square minus b square. So we will get a 1 plus a square plus b square, we can take common from here. So here it is 0, so we can take common. And here 1 plus a square minus b square minus b into c3, that is minus into minus plus 2b square. 1 plus a square minus b square plus 2b square, that is 1 plus a square plus b square. So we can take 1 plus a square plus b square outside from first column. And similarly, if we do one more operation here, C2 tends to C2 here. If when we do that operation here, we will get a 0. If you want to get a 0 here, C2 tends to C2 plus A into C3. 2AB minus 2B into A, that is 2AB minus 2AB 0. And here 1 minus a square plus b square plus a into c3, that is plus 2a square, that is 1 plus a square plus b square, we can take outside. Similarly from here also we can take outside. So now we are going to do this operation. So when we do that operation, C1 and C2 we will change, but C3 will be same. When we change C1, C1 tends to, or C1 gives C1 minus B into C3. C1 we can do here in rough column, C1 minus B into C3. C1 first element 1 plus a square minus b square minus b into C3 minus 2b, that is 1 plus a square minus b square minus into minus plus 2b square, that is 1 plus a square plus b square minus b square plus 2b square, that is plus b square. So now we got first element 1 plus a square plus b square, first element, and second element 2ab minus b into c, 2ab minus b into 2a, that is 2ab minus 2ab 0. Then third element we will find 2b minus b into c3, third element of C3, that is 1 minus a square minus b square. Open the bracket, 2b minus b minus into minus plus a square b minus into minus plus b cube. So here 2b minus b, that is b plus a square b, b plus a square b plus b cube. So if you take b outside, 1 plus a square plus b square we will get. So again we can write here b plus a square b plus b cube. So b plus a square b plus b cube. Now we are going to do, we are going to change C3, sorry C2. So we will change all the elements. C2 tends to C2 plus a into C3. 2ab plus a into minus 2b. That is 2ab minus 2ab minus 2a into C3. That is a into minus 2b. 2ab. Cancelled 0. Then here, same operation we will do here. 1 minus a square plus b square plus a into C2 plus a into C3. C2 plus a into C3. A into C3. That is 1 minus a square plus b square plus 2a square. That is 1 plus minus a square and 2a square we can combine. 1 plus a square plus b square. 1 plus a square plus b square. Then the same way we can find the third element of minus 2a plus a into C3. Minus 2a plus a into this element. Minus 2a plus a into 1 minus a square minus b square. Open the bracket. Minus 2a plus a minus into plus into minus minus a cube plus into minus ab square. So we can combine minus 2a and plus a, that is minus a cube minus ab square. So when we take minus a outside, inside the bracket we will get 1 plus, if we take minus a outside, 1 plus a square plus b square we will take outside. So here 1 plus a square plus b square, and here also when we take minus a, we will get a 1 plus a square plus b square common. Here we have common and here also. So we will write the same expression, minus a cube minus ab square. So now we changed C1 and C2. C3 will be same, minus 2b, 2a, 1 minus a square minus b square. So we made some changes. Now we are going to take 1 plus a square plus b square common. So first determinant, first column 1 plus a square plus b square. And here we have 0. And we will take b outside. B into, when we take b outside, 1 plus a square b outside plus b cube. When we take b outside from b cube, it will be b square. Then here 0, 1 plus a square plus b square, and here we have to take minus a outside. So when we take minus a outside, 1 minus a outside plus a square minus a outside plus b square, and the third column remains same, minus 2b, 2a, 1 minus a square minus b square. Now we can take, here 1 plus. Now we can take 1 plus a square plus b square common here. In first column, 1 plus a square plus b square, 1 plus a square plus b square. Here we don't have any element 0. So we can easily take 1 plus a square plus b square outside from first column. And similarly, we can take 1 plus a square plus b square outside from second column. So when we take 1 plus a square plus b square outside from first column and second column, it will be 1 plus a square plus b square raised to the power 2. Then here we have taken it outside 1 and here it is 0. We have taken it outside, so b 0, and here outside, so 1, and here outside minus a, and it will be same, minus 2b, 2a, 1 minus a square minus b square. Now we got another determinant, and here we have 1 plus a square plus b square raised to the power 2. Here we need 1 plus a square plus b square raised to the power 3. So if we have some zeros, then when we do this type of questions by using properties of determinant, if we get 2 zeros in any one row or any one column, we can reduce it into 2 by 2 determinant. if we get two zeros in any one row or any one column, then we can reduce it into 2 by 2 determinant and we will find the value of the determinant by direct method. So a 3 by 3 determinant should be reduced into 2 by 2 determinant by using properties. Then once you get a 2 by 2 determinant, we will find the value of that determinant by direct method. So here again we will apply property. So if you want to get a 0 here, C3 tends to, we can do this operation, sorry not C3, R3 tends to, if you want to get a 0 here, B minus 1 into B, that is 0, B minus 1 into B, that is R3 tends to R3 minus B into R1, R3 tends to R3 minus B into R1. So R1 and R2 same. Here we have 1 plus A square plus B square common raised to the power. Then R1 same, 1, 0 minus 2B, and R2 0, 1, 2A, 0, 1, 2A. And here we are doing that operation, changing R3. So R3 tends to R3 minus B into R1, B minus 1 into B, 0. Then minus A minus 0 into B, that is minus A minus 0 into B, that is minus A only. Then this one, 1 minus A square minus B square minus B into 1 minus A square minus B square minus B into first element, that is minus 2B. So 1 minus A square minus B square minus into minus plus 2B square, that is 1 minus A square minus B square plus 2B square, that is B square. So that is 1 minus A square plus B square. Now we got two zeros here. So when we get two zeros and one element there, we can reduce that determinant into 2 by 2 determinant because we have two zeros here. So when we expand by using column, when we find the value of the determinant by expanding first column, the determinant will be 1 into deleting, then this determinant. Minus 0 into, that will be 0, plus 0 into, again 0. So this determinant can be reduced into 1 plus A square plus B square raised to the power 2. Then this number 1 into deleting 1, 2A minus A, 1 minus A square plus B square. Now we can expand by normal way. This is a 2 by 2 determinant. By using the properties, we reduce it into 2 by 2. So we can find 1 plus A square plus B square raised to the power 2. Then 2 by 2 determinant. 1 into this one, that is 1 minus A square plus B square. Then plus minus into minus A into 2A. Minus A into 2A, that is minus 2A square. So plus 2A square. That is 1 plus A square plus B square raised to the power 2 into minus A square plus 2A square, we can combine 1 plus A square plus B square. Same expression. So 1 plus A square plus B square raised to the power 3, that is RHS. Now we got LHS equal to RHS, and we reduced that 3 by 3 determinant into 2 by 2, then expanding. So we got the answer. Now we are going to do question number 14. Prove that A square plus 1, AB, AC, AB, B square plus 1, BC, CA, CB, C square plus 1 equal to 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. So that is our question. A square plus 1, AB, AC, AB B square plus 1 BC CA CB C square plus 1 equal to 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. So we need to prove LHS equal to RHS. So here also we will try to take 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square outside the determinant. So here if we want to take 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square outside, if we multiply C1 by A, C2 by B and C3 by C, if we multiply C1 by A, C2 by B and C3 by C, A cube plus A B square, A cube plus A, if you take A outside, 1 plus A square we will get. Suppose when we multiply C1 by A cube plus A, and if we can take A outside from that column, then 1 plus A square will be there. If we multiply this one by B square, B, second column by B, AB square, A outside, then B square we will get down. Then multiply this one by C, AC square, A outside, then C square. So multiplying, that is the operation, multiplying C1, C2 and C3 by A, B, C respectively. So when we multiply C1 by A, the value of the determinant will be changed. So we have taken only LHS, and when we multiply first column by C1, then if you are not multiplying right side, then the value it may not be an equation. LHS and RHS will not be same. So when we multiply by C1, the value of LHS will change. So when we multiply by C1, so you have to take C1 outside in the denominator. So here, if you write when we multiply C1 by A, if you write 1 by A here outside, then we can multiply C1 by A cube plus A, C1 by A square B, C A square. We have taken 1 by A outside and we multiplied first column by A. So if you take that A outside, A and A will be cancelled, then we will get the same. The value of the determinant will not be changed. So that's why when we multiply any row or any column in determinant, we have to take that same number outside the determinant and keep it in the denominator. So the value will not change. Now we are going to change multiplying C2 by B. So when you multiply C2 by B, you have to keep B in the denominator. Otherwise value will change. Multiply this one by B, AB square, B cube plus B, CB square. Then multiplying C3 by C, take C outside in the denominator, AC square, BC square, C cube plus C multiplied by C. And ABC inside outside the bracket in the denominator, so the value of the determinant will not be changed. LHS equal to now we can take A outside from first row. When we take A outside from first row, 1 plus A square, B square, C square. When we take B outside from second row, A square, B square plus 1, C square, that is 1 plus B square plus A square plus C square. If you add C1 tends to C1 plus C2 plus C3, then we can take 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square common. So we are going to take A outside from taking A, B, C common from R1, R2, R3 respectively. So we are going to take A outside from R1. So A will go to the numerator, A outside. In the denominator we have ABC, A outside from R1. So when we take A common, A cube plus A becomes A square plus 1. A outside B square, A outside C square. Now we are going to take B outside from R2. So when we take B outside, B in the numerator, B outside A square, B outside, so 1 plus B square. b outside c square. Taking c outside from R3, so c will be here, and a square, c outside b square, c outside 1 plus c square. That is the determinant. Now ABC cancelled, and here that is equal to, now we can do one more operation. We need to get 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square common. So if you do this operation, c1 gives c1 plus c2 plus c3. c1 tends to c1 plus c2 plus c3. Then 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. That operation we will do here. c1 tends to c1 plus c2 plus c3. Then 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. A square plus 1 plus b square plus c square, that is 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. A square plus b square plus 1 plus c square, that is 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. So we will get 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square common in first column. So 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. C1 tends to c1 plus c2 plus c3. 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. And again 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Then C2 and C3 will be same. B square, 1 plus b square, and here c square, 1 plus c square. Now we can take 1 plus a square plus b square common. We can taking 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square common. So 1 plus equal to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square common. We will keep it in a bracket, and here it will be 1, 1, 1. We are taking 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square common from C1. Then b square, 1 plus b square, and here c square, 1 plus c square. So now we got another determinant, and here we have 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square common. So we want to get 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. We already got, but we have one determinant here. So the value of that determinant should be 1. So if the value of that determinant is 1, then 1 into this one equal to RHS. So we are going to reduce that determinant into 2 by 2 determinant by using property. And here we need to make 2 zeros anywhere, in any one row or any one column. So if you do this operation, here 1 minus 1, 0, b square minus b square, 0. Then we will get 2 zeros here. Or if you want to get 2 zeros here, 1 minus 1, 0, b square minus b square, 0. So we can do this operation. R1 gives R1 minus R3. R1 gives R1 minus R3. So 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square common. Then 1 minus 1, 0. B square minus b square, again 0. C square plus 1 minus c square plus 1, c square minus 1 plus c square. C square and minus c square cancelled, then we have minus 1. Then R1 tends to R1 minus R3. R2 and R3 will be same. 1 plus b square, c square, 1 b square, 1 plus c square. Now we have 2 zeros here. So we can reduce that determinant into 2 by 2 form. That is 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Then minus 1 into deleting the determinant. 1 plus b square, 1 b square. Now we can expand that determinant. That is 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square into, here minus 1 is there. Then expansion, 1 into b square, that is b square minus of 1 into 1 plus b square, 1 plus b square. So plus b square and minus b square cancelled. So minus 1 is there. Plus b square and minus b square cancelled. But minus 1 is there. That minus 1 into this minus 1, that is plus 1. So we got 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, that is RHS. So we got LHS equal to RHS. So by using the properties of determinant, we reduced that into 2 by 2 determinant, then we expanded. Now we will do question number 12. Prove that 1 x square 1 x square, then x square 1 x square 1 determinant equal to 1 minus x cube raised to the power 2. So that is our question. We need to prove LHS equal to RHS. Prove that LHS equal to RHS by using this is a 3 by 3 determinant, so we need to reduce it into 2 by 2 by using properties of determinant, then we will expand. So we will start from LHS, and here we need a 1 minus x cube. So if you want to take 1 minus x cube outside the determinant, here if we do this operation, 1 minus x cube, we need to get 1 minus x cube somewhere common. 1 minus x cube somewhere we can do by different methods. If you want to get 1 minus x cube common in any one row or any one column, 1 minus x into x square, that is 1 minus x cube. X square minus x into x, that is x square minus x square, 0. X into 1, that is x minus x, 0. So we will get a 0 here, 1 minus x cube. If we do this operation, C1 gives C1 minus x into C3. So we will get a LHS equal to C1 minus x into C3. 1 minus x into x square, that is 1 minus x cube. X square minus x into x, that is x square minus x square, 0. X minus x into 1, that is x minus x, 0. Then we have x1 x square, then x square x1. Now we got 2 zeros. We can expand by using first column. So here if we have 2 zeros, we can reduce it into 2 by 2 determinant. So when we reduce it into 2 by 2 determinant, 1 minus, this is the first element, 1 minus x cube. Then deleting, then determinant 1 x square 1. That is 1 minus x cube. Find the value of determinant 1 into 1 minus x cube. X square, this is x square into x, that is x cube. 1 minus x cube into 1 minus x cube, that is 1 minus x cube raised to the power 2, that is RHS. So we got LHS equal to RHS. Now we will do question number 11. We have 2 parts. We will do one of them. Both the parts almost the same, so you can do the other one by yourself. I will explain one of them. 11th question, first part. Prove that a minus b minus c, then 2a, 2b, b minus c minus a, 2b, 2c, again 2c, then c minus a minus b, this is b here, equal to a plus b plus c raised to the power 3. We need to prove LHS equal to RHS, and we are going to reduce it into 2 by 2 form. We want to get a plus b plus c outside. So here, if we do this operation, if we are adding R1 plus R2, R3, R1 plus R2 plus R3, you see a minus b minus c plus 2b plus 2c, that is a plus minus b plus 2b, so b, plus minus c plus 2c, that is c, a plus b plus c. And here, if we find there some 2a minus a, that is a, plus b minus c plus 2c, that is c, that is a plus b plus c. Again 2a plus, there some 2a minus a, that is a, 2b minus b, that is b plus c, that is a plus b plus c, we will get in first row. So that is the operation. R1 tends to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So here a plus LHS equal to a plus minus b plus 2b, that is plus b, minus c plus 2c, that is plus c. Then 2a plus minus a, that is a, b minus c plus 2c, that is plus c. 2a minus a, that is a, 2b minus b, that is plus b, then plus c. Then second row and third row same, 2b, b minus c minus a, 2b, and here 2c, 2c, c minus a minus b. Now we can take a plus b plus c common, a plus b plus c common. Then we will get a 1, here 1 and here also 1. Then 2b, b minus c minus a, 2b, and here 2c, 2c, and c minus a minus b. We want to get a plus b plus c raised to the power 3. So we got a plus b plus c outside, and the expansion of that determinant should be a plus b plus c whole square. And here we will try to make, reduce it into 2 by 2. So if we get 2 zeros anywhere, then it will be very easy. So you just combine here, 1 minus 1, 0, 2c minus 2c, 0. So we will get 2 zeros there. So we can do C1 tends to C1 minus C2, or we can write as C2 tends to C2 minus C1. So we will do C1 give C1 minus C2. That is a plus b plus c common. Then 1 minus 1, 0. Here 2b minus of this one, 2b minus of b minus c minus a. Open the bracket, 2b minus b, minus into minus plus c, minus into minus plus a. So 2b minus b, that is b, b plus c plus a, that is b plus c plus a, that is a plus b plus c. 0, then b plus c plus a, then 2c minus 2c, again 0. So now we got 2 zeros. Then rest of the columns will be same. We changed only c1, c2 and c3 will be same. 1, b minus c minus a, 2c, and here 1, 2b, c minus a minus b. Now we can reduce it into 2 by 2. A plus b plus c common. And here we can expand by using first column. So 2 zeros are there. So b plus c plus a into deleting that the row contain deleting the corresponding row and the corresponding column when we expand by using b plus c plus a. And here when we expand by using b plus c plus a, first one is positive, second one is negative. First one is positive, second one is negative. So we have to keep one negative sign outside, minus 1 into b plus c plus a. Then b plus c, a corresponding row and a corresponding column we cancel now. then we will get a corresponding row and corresponding column will not be there. So 1, 1, 2c, c minus a minus b. 1, 1, 2c, c minus a minus b. Now we can expand this one. A plus b plus c into a plus b plus c all square, then minus 1 is there, then expansion. 1 into c minus a minus b, that is c minus a minus b, minus 1 into 2c, that is minus 2c. Now we will get a plus b plus c all square minus 1 into c minus 2c, that is minus c, minus a minus b. C minus 2c, that is minus c, minus a minus b. That is a plus b plus c all square. Then we can take 1 minus 1 is there. Take minus 1 outside from here. From here. So we will get a plus b plus c. Then minus 1 into minus 1 plus. Then we can combine a plus b plus c all square and a plus b plus c. So we will get a plus b plus c raised to the power 3. So we got RHS. Same. A plus b plus c raised to the power 3. And here when we reduce it into 2 by 2, we need to follow that rule: positive, negative, positive. So that's why we are keeping negative here. Minus into b plus c plus a, deleting, again deleting, 1 1, determinant 1 1, 2c, c minus a minus b. So that minus 1 should be there. If minus 1 is not there, then we will get another answer. Now we will do question number 10. We have two parts, both the parts same, almost same. So I will do one of them. Then the same way you can do the second part. I will do second part now. Question number 10. Determinant y plus k, then y, again y, then y, y plus k, y, again y plus k. So we need to prove that LHS equal to k square into 3y plus k. Y plus k, y plus k, y. Then k square into 3y plus k. And here 3y plus k, we want to get outside the determinant. Very simple. If you take c1 tends to c1 plus c2 plus c3, y plus y plus y, 3y plus k, y plus y plus y, 3y plus k, y plus y plus y, 3y plus k. Or we can take r1 tends to r1 plus r2 plus r3. c1 gives c1 plus c2 plus c3. LHS. Y plus k plus y plus y, 3y plus k. Common, sorry, that is the first element. 3y plus k. Then here y plus y plus y plus k, 3y plus k. Y plus y plus y plus k, 3y plus k. Then c2, c3 same, because we changed only c1. Y plus k, y, and y plus k. Then that is equal to LHS equal to 3y plus k common determinant. 1 1 1, y plus k, y, again y plus k. Now we got a 2 by 2, sorry 3 by 3. We want to reduce it into 2 by 2 determinant by using property. So we have same elements here, 1 1, y. So if we write r1 tends to r1 minus r3, 1 minus 1 0, y minus y 0, then we will get the 2 zeros here, then we can reduce it into 2 by 2 form. So that is operation r1 gives r1 minus r3. 3y plus k determinant. 1 minus 1, 0. Y minus y, 0. Y minus of y plus k. Y minus of y plus k. Y and minus y cancelled, then minus k is the answer. Minus k. Then R2 and R3 will be same. 1 y plus k, y, and 1 y, y plus k. That is equal to 3y plus k, common. Now we have two zeros there, so we can reduce it into 2 by 2. Minus k, positive, negative, positive. So minus k, no need to change that sign. So minus k into determinant. Deleting corresponding row and corresponding column. Then the remaining elements 1 y plus k, 1 y. Now we can reduce it into, so we can find the value of that determinant. 3y plus k into minus k. Then 1 into y, y minus of. In bracket we will keep 1 into y, y minus of. Here we have two terms. That's why we are keeping bracket. 1 into y plus k, that is y plus k. Then here 3y plus k plus y and minus y cancelled, then minus k will be there. This minus k into minus k, one more minus k. So minus into minus plus, so we will get a k square into 3y plus k. That is RHS. So we got LHS equal to RHS here, k square into 3y plus k square into 3y plus k. So LHS and RHS are equal. The next one, question number 10, second part done, first part you can do by yourself. Then now we will do question number 9. Question number 9, prove that x square y z, y square zx, z square xy equal to x minus y into y minus z into z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx. That is our question. X minus y into y minus z into z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx. And here x square yz, y square zx, z square xy. So here xy plus, that is our question. LHS we need to prove LHS and RHS are equal. So here if we multiply C3, if we multiply R1 by x square, x cube, x, y, z. R2 by y square, y cube, x, y, z. R3 by z square, z cube, x, y, z. So we will get a x, y, z common. So when we take x, y, z outside, then we will get a 1, 1, 1. Then we can easily make a 2 zeros. So that is the method. So taking, multiplying R1, R2, R3 by x, y, z respectively. So when we multiply R1 by x, we want to keep LHS. LHS equal to, when we multiply R1 by x, we have to keep x in the denominator, otherwise the value of the determinant will be changed. So when we multiply R1 by x square, x cube, x, y, z. Multiplying R2 by y, so keep y in the denominator. Y square, y cube, x, y, z. Multiply R3 by z, keep z in the denominator. Z square, z cube, x, y, z. that is equal to, now we can take x, y, z common from C1. So taking x, y, z common from C3, this is C3. So x, y, z outside and 1 x, y, z already there in the denominator. Then we have taken x, y, z common from C3, so we will get a 1, 1, 1 there. C2, C1 and C2 same. X square, y square, z square, x cube, y cube, z cube. Then 1, 1, 1. Now we can easily make two zeros here. X, y, z and x, y, z cancel now. So we will get this determinant and we need to make two zeros here. So if you want to make two zeros, then we want to get x minus y, y minus z, etc. So we can do this operation. R1 gives R1 minus R2 and R2 gives R2 minus R3. R1 gives R1 minus R2 and R2 gives R2 minus R3. So when we do that operation, we will get x square minus y square. R1 tends to R1 minus R2, x square minus y square. X cube minus y cube. 1 minus 1, 0. Then R2 tends to R2 minus R3. Y square minus R2 minus R3. That is y square minus z square. Y cube minus z cube. 1 minus 1, 0. Then R3 will be same because we changed R1 and R2. R3 will be same. Z square, z cube, 1. Now we can easily reduce it to 2 by 2 determinant. So because we have two zeros here, so by using this third column or yes, by using third column we can reduce it into 2 by 2, and when we reduce it into 2 by 2, positive, negative, positive, order positive, negative, positive, then positive, negative, positive. So the sign of 1 will be positive, positive, negative, positive, then here positive, then negative, then positive. So sign will be 1. So that one we will write 1 into determinant. And here one corresponding row and corresponding column will be deleted. Or we can take here, before doing that operation, we can take we can do one more. We can do by different methods. See, x square minus y square we will write expand x square minus y square, that is x plus y into x minus y. X square minus y square is x plus y and x minus y, and x cube minus y cube, x cube minus y cube, a cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into a minus b into x square plus xy plus y square. Then the last element is 0. Then same way, y square minus z square, a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b, y plus z into y minus z, then y cube minus z cube, y minus z into y square plus yz plus z square. Then again 0. Then z square, z cube, then 1. So that is the determinant. That is equal to, we can take x minus y common from first row and y minus z common from second row. So we will get x minus y, yz, x minus y from outside from first row and y minus z from second row. So when we take it outside, so here it will be x plus y, then x square plus xy plus y square, then 0. Then y minus z common, y plus z Then y minus z common, y square plus yz plus z square 0. Then z square z cube 1. So that is the determinant. Now we can reduce it into 2 by 2 form. So when we reduce it into 2 by 2 form, common term x minus y into y minus z common. Then deleting 1 into, this is our element, 1 into, reduce it into y plus z into x square plus xy plus y square. Then y plus z into y square plus yz plus z square. That is equal to x minus y into y minus z into. Now we can expand this one. This is a 2 by 2. Then here y plus z into y square plus yz plus z square minus y plus z into x square plus xy plus y square. That is x minus y into y minus z into. Now we have to multiply this one, then open the bracket. Here also find the product, open the bracket, then we will get xy plus yz plus zx. Find the product, then here also, then one negative sign is there, open the bracket, and here we have x minus y into y minus z. X minus y into y minus z already we got, and here you simplify this expression, then you take this part z minus x into this one, just open the bracket here, only this part, z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx, multiply, open the bracket here, you will get one result, simplify this one, you will get another result, compare, both the results will be same. So we can say that this expression equal to z minus x into this one. So z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx. So that part, that is your homework. So here just to simplify this expression and simplify this part. If you get the same, then we can replace this one by z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx. So we can write LHS equal to RHS. So we got the result. I will explain one more question. Here, say 8th question I am not explaining. That is very simple. Here we have already 1 there. In question number 8, first part we have 3 ones. We can easily make 2 zeros. And the second part also we have 3 ones. So it's not difficult. And now I am explaining question number 7. Prove that minus a square ab ac ba minus b square bc ca cb minus c square equal to 4a square b square c square. That is our question. LHS equal to, we need to prove LHS and RHS are equal, minus a square ab ac ba minus b square bc ca cb and minus c square. We want to get ABC outside, a square, b square, c square, etc. We can easily take a outside from first row, b from second row, c from third row. Taking a, b, c common from R1, R2, R3. So when we take a outside from first row, LHS, when we take a outside, then it will be minus a outside, b, a outside, c. B outside from R2. So a minus b, b outside, c. Then c outside from R3. A, b minus c. So we have taken ABC outside, so we ABC we will write here. LHS. ABC, so we got this one. Now we can take, we want to get a square, b square, c square into 4. So here we can take a outside from first column, b from second column and c from third column. If you want, you can do both the steps simultaneously. taking ABC common from R1, R2, R3 and the ABC common, then ABC common from C1, C2, C3. Taking ABC common from C1, C2, C3 here respectively. So when we take A outside, B outside, C outside, then it will be A square, B square, C square. Then minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1. Because we have taken A outside minus 1, 1, 1, B outside 1, minus 1, 1, C outside 1, 1, minus 1. So now we got 1. We want to make 2 zeros. So if you get 2 zeros anywhere, we can reduce it into 2 by 2 form. So the operation, here we can find the sum of these two rows, minus 1 plus 1, 0, 1 plus minus 1, 0. Or, yes, we will do R1 gives R1 plus R2. Or we can write there R1 tends to R1 plus R2. And here A square, B square, C square outside. Then R1 tends to R1 plus R2. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. 1 plus minus 1, 0. 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. 1 plus minus 1, 0. 1 plus 1, 2. Then R2 and R3 will be same. 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1. Now we reduced it into 2 by 2, it is 3 by 3. Now we are going to reduce it into 2 by 2. Positive, negative, positive. Sign will be positive. And here A square, B square, C square outside. Then deleting corresponding columns, but we need to write that number 2. Sign of that number is positive, negative, positive. So 2. Then deleting. So now we have 1 minus 1, 1, 1. In determinant 1 minus 1, 1, 1. Now we can expand that determinant. The 2 into, that is A square, B square, C square into 2. Then 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. So 1 plus 1. So that is A square, B square, C square into 2 into 1 plus 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. So 4 A square, B square, C square. So that is RHS. So we got 4 A square, B square, C square. So that is question number 7. And here I didn't explain question number 8. We have two parts there. In question number 8, we have 1, 1, 1. So just I will 8th question. Question number 8. 8th question first part. 1 A square, 1 B square, 1 C square equal to A minus B, B minus C and C minus A. So here we can easily make zeros here. If we do this operation, R1 tends to, R2 tends to, or R1 tends to, R1 tends to R1 minus R2, 1 minus 1, 0. Then R2 tends to R2 minus R3. R1 and R2 we are going to change. R1 tends to A minus B and B minus C required 1 minus 1. Then R2 tends to R2 minus R3, again 1 minus 1. So we will get a 0 here, 0 here. So that question will be 1 minus 1, 0. A minus B. Then A square minus B square. Then again 1 minus 1, 0. B minus C. Then B square minus C square. R3 will be same 1 C square. And here A minus B outside from first row. So here 0 and here 1. A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. So when we take A minus B outside from A square minus B square, A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. So when we take A minus B outside, then A plus B remains. Then we can take B minus C common from second row. When we A minus B into B minus C outside, 0, 1, Then b minus c outside. B square minus c square is b plus c into b minus c. So b minus c outside, so b plus c. Then 1c c square. Then reduce it into, that is a minus b we got, b minus c also we got. Now we can reduce it into 2 by 2 form, positive, negative, positive. So 1 into delete. Then its determinant b plus c, 1 a plus b, 1 b plus c, that is equal to a minus b into b minus c into, diagonal wise we can find the product 1 into b plus c, that is b plus c minus of 1 into a plus b minus of a plus b. So that is a minus b into b minus c into b minus c minus a then minus b, that is a minus b into b minus c into, here minus b and plus b cancel now. Then c minus a. So this sign is actually b plus c. So this is positive sign only. B plus c minus a minus b. B plus c minus a minus b. Plus b and minus b cancel now. So c minus a remains. C minus a. So we got RHS a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. So that is RHS. So we got